Okay, I'm just going to show you how to install the Cocoon. Now, the first thing you need to do is to make sure you get it the right way around. So the front end, there's just like a little elasticated pouch sitting within the Cocoon. So that just helps you identify the front. So what we're going to do is just pass the whole thing over the back and then just have the back end of the materials just sitting down and behind the backrest. Then we can pull the material over the front, like so. And then just make sure you get it lined up so that there's little shoulder holes. Just get it lined up so that the corner of the frame comes through. And then just pull the material down. And then we're just going to do the same at the back. So pull the back of the Cocoon up and over so that the little shoulder holes sit on the corner of the frame. Pull the material up and over the side rest as well. Then you can just push the Cocoon down in the middle, and that's the first step. The second step is to then do up all the straps inside the Cocoon. So you've got these two long ones at either ends. I would just move those out of the way for the time being. You want to do the ones going across the side. Now, before you get started with this, top tip, if you've got the seat pads already installed, pop them out. So there's just a little catch underneath the seat pads. Undo that so that they pop out, and just get them out of the way just so that you can kind of see what you're doing. So with the side straps, you just want to pass them underneath the flatbed on the cargo and do up the poppers. Should be pretty straightforward. I'm all set. Okay, once you've done the sides, then we start to try and do up the long straps at the end. So you just thread them underneath, between the frame, between the flatbed and the railing. So it goes underneath the flatbed, but above the side straps. Okay, just makes it look a bit cleaner. And this should be relatively taut, so you might need a little bit of elbow grease to pull them together and get the poppers lined up. But once you do, you just clip them together. And that's all the inside straps. There's some Velcro at the front end of the Cocoon. Just bring that as close as you can to the rest of the Cocoon, just to kind of close up any gap at the front. Once you've done that, the final step is to do the straps on the footrests. Okay, there's 3. So let's do these side ones, get them over both kind of bars of the footrest, bring it around, and then there's just Velcro. You just do the Velcro up. And then the third one, just through the front of the footrest, and then bring the Velcro together. Do that on the other side, and then you go. That's Cocoon installed.